Hello, my name is John from Finding Country in Braunton, and today we are at Decalia House in Croyd. This is a fantastic 5/6 bedroom detached home here on the outskirts of Croyd with walking distance to the beach and fantastic vistas looking over the bay. Let's take a look inside. One of the great selling points for this home is the large reception spaces. To the ground floor we've got this really impressive kitchen dining family room which has had a refurbished kitchen, and as you can see is a real naturally lit popular place to gather after dinner and overlook the sunsets towards the front of the property. The property has 5 or 6 bedrooms and they're all fantastic size. We're in the main bedroom right now, with a dual aspect overlooking the fantastic views. It has an ensuite and it really is a good size bedroom and a fantastic principal suite. Here we are in the heart of the house. This fantastic galleried living room really is an impressive space to be. It's got a wood burner, large space, and these doors leading out to the balcony with these amazing vistas looking over the bay and incredible sunsets in the evening. One of the fantastic additions the current owners did when refurbishing here was building this remarkable sun terrace at the top of the double garage with composite deck overlooking the fantastic bay beyond. It really is a fantastic area to enjoy all the sun and those lovely evenings and sunsets. One of the best things about Decalia House is the location. We've got a public footpath just literally across the driveway, taking you straight to the beach and to the heart of the village with amenities nearby. And if you fancy a change of scenery, just up the road behind takes you to Putsborough. So you've got fantastic choices everywhere as well as amazing vistas. So there we have it, that's the video tour here for Decalia House. It really is a special place. If you're a keen surfer, someone who loves family time or wants to change their lifestyle to move here to fantastic Croyd, then look no further than this property. Give me a call on 01271 818 121 and we look forward to showing you very soon.